Keeping water off the ground is one of the biggest challenges in high-pressure water jetting. Customers expect it, and municipalities now require it. If your job site isn't dry, you could lose work. Luckily, eClutch has changed the game, helping operators stay in control and stay compliant. The eClutch eliminates the need to dump water by disengaging the pump during operation, keeping water in the tank and not on the ground.
We set out to create a simple and reliable dry shutoff pump that could be used with a number of our customers' existing tools today.
The industry has needed this and in fact has been asking for it for a long time. The NLB eClutch units deliver.
Eliminating bypass water in and of itself is a great reason to go with these new eClutch units. But when you consider the fact that it allows us to remove the PTO, which is easily one of the most serviced areas on a high pressure water jetting unit, it really is a win-win.
The eClutch isn't a one-trick pony. eClutch benefits many NLB pump units. It can run a variety of water jetting units and accessories using eSync 2.0 technology. eSync 2.0 is a major upgrade from the original with greater range and reliability. Operators can now engage or disengage the eClutch from up to 500 feet away or 250 feet with obstacles. And no need to worry about connections. eSync 2.0 works seamlessly with all compatible accessories, including the eSync hand lance, foot control, pendant, curb jet, and spin jet. Need more reach? Any eSync 2.0 tool can act as a repeater, boosting the signal up to 5 times further with no line of sight required. As for runtime, eSync wireless accessories run on long-lasting lithium-ion batteries with up to 32 hours of use, and can also run by wire, self-charging while you work. Installation is simple. Every eClutch unit comes pre-wired and pre-drilled for fast eSync setup. Just mount the receiver and go.
There really is all upside to this technology. It's simpler, it requires less maintenance, it's safer, and it's more operator friendly.
The eClutch continues to redefine efficiency and performance in high pressure water jetting, helping operators work smarter, safer, and more profitably. The eClutch. Proven NLB innovation, built to last.